Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change the background color of an image in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, select selection tool and select it to this object. Any object, okay. Refine it. Smooth. Okay. Then click the background and change color anyway. Solid color, gradient color, pattern, brightness, levels, curves. I use example. See this color balance and selective color. I use example to saturation. Then lock this layer and change the color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.